No, she ain't gonna. Hey, where's the kitty?
Where?
Okay, we're gonna feed the kitty. Okay, where's kitty's food? Here.
On the calendar.
Come on, give him to me. Let's feed him.
Thursday's
Here's
also
baby.
for Friday.
Let's feed his food. Show daddy. Eat all up. Thank you, Cassandra.
The month before.
Welcome.
Every week, the Friday the previous week always comes before Thursday the next week.
What are you doing, kitty cat? Kitty, 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 kitty. Where's my kitty cat? Come here. Beak. Where's my kitty cat?
When or where?
Beak.
Where?
Kitty, 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 kitty.
Duck.
A duck. Is it stuck?
Grandma,
It's
where
stuck?
does Friday come before Thursday?
It's a where, not a when.
The week before.
Where? No, I'm not done yet.
Yeah.
Hey.
Honey.
Can you do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Okay, how about Itsy Bitsy Spider? In the rain, wash. Out came the sun, dried up all the land, so the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Right?
There's a teapot now.
The little teapot, short and stout. Here is. Where's the handle?
No, no round and go, hon.
Where's your handle? Where is
She
my
wants to go get on
handle?
the round and go.
Here is my spout. Where's your handle on your spout?
Make handle
Tip.
and spout.
Tip me over and pour me out. What you doing? What's his name? B-I-N-G-O. Sing the song.
Hey, you.
Sing the song.
Had a dog and bingo.
Sing the song, Cassandra.
No, 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 no.
What pine has the longest and the sharpest needles?
Porcupine.
Yep. That's right. Next porcupine.
Say hi, Sissy. Sissy, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Hey, look at me.
Hi.
I'm gonna go ahead and tickle you if you don't say hi now.
Radio.
Hello. Okay, Mom. When is a farmer cruel to his corn?
When he mashes it.
No.
When is the farmer?
When he peels the ears off.
Close.
When he cuts the ears off? When he pulls the ears off?
See, I got it.
Got that.
I got it.
No, Daddy was close enough.
What you doing? Woo, where's your face? Oh, there you are. I'm going to tickle your belly. I'm going to tickle your belly. I'm going to tickle your belly.
Whoa, whoa, you're gonna fall over.
Sissy going to tickle your belly.
Tickle belly.
Oh, I've got a headache.
Got a headache. Let me see it.
Do me a favor, Sissy. a garbage can?
Jackie, I love
Garbage.
you.
Yes, please. Any garbage can. What are you filming?
Stuff on the walls. Pictures.
Thank you.
A man in the butcher shop is 6 feet tall and wears the size of a shoe. What does he weigh?
He weighs me.
Yep.
Okay, I'm done with this. Thank you, baby.
Your dad's pretty smart, huh?
What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, Cassandra. Peekaboo. Ah. Peekaboo. I see you. Cassandra. Peek, 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 peek. Careful. Peek. Peek. Where did she get that way out? Peek.
Want me?
Hi.
I'll have plenty more. Okay, it's going.
Oh, mommy.
Okay, we're all here. This is my snapshot, so you can talk.
All right.
Say hi.
Hi.
Bye.
This is Mom's last night here. We're gonna go out and eat at Red Lobster.
Yeah. Oh, Cassandra, we're going to go out and
Sandra,
eat.
look at the camera.
Oh, look. Say hi, Tommy. Hi, Timmy. Hi, Annie. Say hi. Hi, Joni. Hi, Vincent.
Oh, poor Sandra's going to look at the camera.
Are we okay?
Yeah.
My head
Oh,
chopped
honey,
off.
here, one more thing. Tell the camera.
Oh.
Can you see her?
Hi, Heather.
Yeah.
Hi, Carly.
Hey, Bobby.
Can you
Okay.
say hi?
Come over
Andy.
here.
We gotta
Mercedes,
see
come
more.
over here. Watch the course.
Gotta
Come
see
here.
more. Come on, we gotta see more. Hi, Trace. Hi, Shando. Hi, Shando. Say hi, Shando. Say hi, Lukey. Lukey. Say hi, Luke.
There he is. Okay, stay here.
Stay here.
Wait, you gotta say some more.
Hi, Kevin. Kevin. Say hi, Kevin. Hi, Ann. Hi, Stacy. Say hi, Eric. Hi, David. Hi, Joni. Hi, Vincent.
I love you. She said.
Hi, Jeannie. Say hi, Aunt Helen. Hi, Aunt Sherry. Hi, Aunt Michelle.
Sherry.
Who else?
Hi, Jeannie.
Yeah.
Say hi, Grandma Wood. Say thank you for the pickles.
Look at Daddy and say it. Say
Say
thank
to
you,
the camera.
Picos.
Say send more pickles. Say I like pickles.
Let's see.
Say
What
come see me. Or I get too big. Yeah.
Okay.
Say okay. Sandra,
Bye.
I love you. Bye.
Wave to the camera.
Say bye, Bobby.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Sandra,
Look at the
about
TV.
the
Look at
other
the
thing.
TV. Look at the TV.
You're recording.
No, you're not. You can't be. You're recording on your tape, your VHS tape.
I know.
Say, get him a rinky dinky dink.
Camera, Dad.
Oh, what are you doing? Come on now, give the camera to your wife. She knows how to use it correctly. Stop.
Okay, you sit here.
Get a video of Daddy.
Oh, you're gonna be dizzy. Put your hand in the thing.
No, sissy, no. No, take good video. Say hi, Sissy.
Huh?
Dinky, dinky, dinky,
Mom, you got
dinky.
everything ready?
Hold on. I can't take those
Can you
bites.
throw Sissy a kiss?
Dinky doo.
Get a marinky dinky dink, get a marinky.
I love you. Get over there, girl. Oh. But if that don't make you want to lose weight, nothing will.
I was thinking the same thing. Look at how fat my face looks on TV. I've got extra roundness. I've got a round.
That's just
Recording.
just got done eating about 20 pounds of
I'm not
fish.
excited. I'm standby.
Say that again.
I said, that's because we just got done eating 20 pounds of fish.
Oh, sweetie. What, Mercedes?
Sit down. Okay, I'll sit down with you. Okay.
Oh, inky dinky spider.
Is that enough video, Mom?
Get some of your dad, okay? Don't get me. You're so awful. Get your dad. Get my little boy, all grown up. Big boy.
Me and my mother.
Me and my mother. Me and my baby.
We're cutting our heads off with ladies.
That's okay. He's getting the best part. He's getting. Dinky, 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 dinky. Where's that little bitty spider?
Oh, got my orders.
Yeah. Isn't it nice to have a little girl running around like that? Move that back so we can get a picture of her. Get my feet out of the way there. Oh, what is that?
Who's that on TV?
Say hi here.
It's you.
Who's that pretty little
Let's do
girl?
look at Mommy. Let's just give her a kick. Ready? What? Do you want to do twinkle star? Get him a ring. Dinky dink. Get him a ring.
Elephant.
Tail. Elsa has a tail. Yeah. Did you see the elephant at the zoo? Yeah. What did the elephant do?
Come on, you. Get your sister over there. Get your
The
mother.
elephant take a bubble bath?
Get your father.
Think so.
Come
You're
TV.
gonna get it, little girl. They're not gonna think you're the great recorder.
No.
You're gonna make people dizzy. You're moving around so much. You gotta hold it steady.
I got it.
I need that right.
There, how's that? Better.
Daddy, can you put it up on the stand? It's much easier.
Hey, I'm it's the patty cake. She said.
She looks like me. Staring into
It's
space.
tired. Late. 10:30.
No,
Nobody
Daddy, no,
knows,
no,
no,
Daddy,
it's too late.
no.
This is Cassandra. Oh, it's Kathy.
No.
Cassandra.
Maybe for her bed. Sit like you're gonna shoot her.
Wave at Sissy. Cassandra, wave at Sissy.
Say hi, Sissy.
Hey, say hi, Bobby.
Who's Bobby? Who is Bobby? Say, Heather's Bobby. Heather's Bobby? Who's Heather?
Auntie.
Hi, Heather. Say, hi, Jeannie. Say,
Jean.
say, hi, Mercedes. Oh, that's so cute. Say, hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy.
Give Mommy a kiss.
Oh,
Give Mom a kiss, honey.
he's thinking about something.
Who's that? Who do you got in your hand? Bobby? We tried the fire check. Ding, 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 ding.
Like ding 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 ding.
Trying to hold the camera still.
Hurry, hurry, climb the
Really watching
ladder.
yourself.
Hurry,
That's
hurry,
what-
climb the ladder. Ding, 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 ding,
I see you guys in all black and white.
That's good. Isn't it?
Hey, Patty. Oh, that hurt you. I'm sorry.
ding. She says, I'm sorry. When you get home, you'll be able to see yourself, see, Mom.
Yeah, that's just what I need to look at. Oh, no. Good.
Go ahead.
The tripod.
Go with your meat.
Oh, Dad, can you set this on?
You just
This is twist tie.
Sissy help you, okay? You can turn it upside down.
Yeah.
You got more things?
Oh, that goes in your basket. That's your
That's grass.
grass.
Playgrass.
Sissy.
Get your basket.
No, that's Sissy's. I got this.
No, not the grass.
Here, stick the grass out. Show me, Sissy.
Oh, that's pretty.
Hold it
for
still.
kids.
Hold it perfectly still.
Ooh, okay,
Yeah, that's
thank
neat.
you. Can you bring me the basket now? Okay. The
One for
grass
now and
goes
one for
in
later.
there.
Ha ha ha!
That's it.
All your things in here.
Wow, you got a basket?
I got lots of licorice. Mama.
Wow.
Okay.
This one you bite.
Peanut butter bunny.
Bite hard. Come. Crunch.
Oh.
Good? Hmm?
How did you go?
Fine.
Banana.